Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to download mods in Among Us in a simple and safe way. First, understand that mods are not officially supported, so you need to be careful and only download from trusted sources. Now, open your browser and search for popular Among Us mods, like Town of Us or similar well-known versions. Choose a reliable website and download the mod file for your device. After downloading, extract the files using a zip tool if needed. Then locate your Among Us game folder on your PC and replace or add the mod files inside it as instructed. Next, launch the game using the mod launcher or executable file provided with the mod. Once opened, you will see new roles and features added in the game. Always make sure you are using the correct version to avoid crashes or errors. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.